Hey yo, how's it going, guys? Welcome to the grind to freedom. And for this one, I'm naming it, if you're over 60, get your ass to YouTube. If you're over 60, get your ass to YouTube. You hear me right? If you're literally looking at this video, you know how to click buttons, you know how to get on apps. And guess what? You have so many stories that so many people looking to reconnect with their grandpa, with their grandma, are looking for. There's people that have older parents, and there's people that maybe either have that parent sick or they lost that parent at some point. And you, with your expertise, being over 60, can provide so much help and so much relief to a lot of those people. I'm not saying you have to become someone's paternal figure or mother figure or grandpa or grandma, but if you just share authentically who you are and showcase that to the world, because that's what YouTube is. YouTube is just a distributing platform for videos. That's it. Think about it that way. So anybody, at no cost at all, no cost, it costs you nothing, just a little bit of your time, anybody can start and broadcast a YouTube channel for absolutely free. You can do this, and you can share your expertise, you can share your knowledge, you can share your wins, you can share your losses, you can share your experience in life. And there's so many people that will be more than happy to just hear your experience, to just know basically what you went through, so they can improve upon that, so they can either follow your steps or improve upon your own steps. There's people out there trying to connect with you, and a lot of those people might not be even near you. They might be miles and miles away, but the way to reach them is through video. And it's very easy. You don't need to have fancy cameras. You don't need none of that. You can use the same device that you're using right now to make your videos. You don't need no fancy no fancy editing or recording or anything. You can do it very easy. Just what do you do in a daily life? Just now, okay, after I brush my teeth, I'm gonna record a video real quick. I'm gonna check in with all my people. Or think about, maybe you miss your grandchildren, or you miss your children. Think about, okay, what videos would I wish I would have made for them in order to connect even more with them? Because now with technology and everything, we can be distant from people, but we feel more connected than ever because of it. But at the same time, sometimes we do want to have more connection with those loved ones. So you can use YouTube as an exercise for you to, like, hey, what type of videos would I wish I would have made for my children, for them to prepare for life, or for them to understand more what it's like to have a family, or just give them a little bit of advice on a daily basis on, like, what they can do better to improve their lives with their loved ones. Whatever that is, you can make it happen. You can make it happen, and people would appreciate, like, so much what you have to offer, what you have to bring, what your uniqueness in this world brings to the table. But you need to get your butt on YouTube. You need to start making a very clear and bold decision that how old you are does not matter. In fact, the older you are, the more wiser you are. Or you should be, at least. So, therefore, the plethora of knowledge, the plethora of experience, the expertise, everything that you have to bring to the table can make someone's life better. And if you think very positively about the life you lived, whether you look at it fondly with tons of optimism and positivity, or you look at it with regret, share that knowledge, share those thoughts with the world. I promise it will impact so much, so many people, and it would allow others to open themselves up because you started opening yourself up to others. So you can literally create this ripple domino effect where people become more authentic because you got started. So please, if you're over 60, get your butt on YouTube. Get your ass on YouTube if you're over 60, because you have so much knowledge, so much expertise, and so many things to share with this world. Don't ever think that you're insignificant, because you're not. You're unique. Don't ever think that what you live does not matter, because backwards, it matters even more now. We need that message. We need that story. We need that experience. So please, if you're over 60, get your ass on YouTube now. Like right now. Don't waste time. Like after this video, start recording your first video. Don't watch any more videos. Make your first video right now. Okay? If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It will help us towards our goal to get over 1,000 subscribers so we can monetize this channel. Don't forget to like the video, share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do. And I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest and blessed rest of your day. Bye-bye.